Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Multimodal AI, making AI see, hear, and understand the world like us. Imagine trying to understand a movie just by reading the script, or just by listening to the audio without seeing the visuals. It's incomplete, right? Humans naturally combine sight, sound, and text to make sense of the world. Multimodal AI is about giving computers these same, multiple senses, allowing AI to process and understand information from various types of data, like text, images, and audio, simultaneously, just like we do. For developers, this means building AI that truly understands context. Before multimodal AI, most AI systems were unimodal. This means they specialized in one type of data. We had AI that was amazing at understanding written text, like early chatbots or spam filters, or AI that was great at recognizing objects in pictures, like face recognition, or AI that could transcribe speech, like voice assistants. Each was powerful in its domain. But imagine a specialist doctor who only treats eyes, or only ears. They're limited to their single area. As a developer, you'd choose a specific AI for a specific data type. Why is having multiple senses so important? Because the real world isn't just text, or just images, or just sound, it's all of them woven together. If I show you a picture of a cat and say, meow, you instantly connect the sound with the image. Unimodal AI used to struggle with making these connections across different data types. Multimodal AI bridges this gap, giving AI a more holistic, human-like understanding. This is crucial for creating AI that interacts with us more naturally and understands complex, real-world scenarios. So, what are these different senses, or modalities, that AI can now process together? They are essentially different types of data: text, reading, the familiar words we type, read, or hear; images, seeing, asterisk still pictures, photos, diagrams, or even screenshots; audio, hearing, asterisk speech, music, environmental sounds, like a dog bark or a car horn; video, seeing and hearing in motion, asterisk a dynamic combination of images and audio over a period of time. As a developer, these are the raw inputs, the data streams, you'll be feeding into your multimodal AI models. How does AI make sense of a picture of a cat and the word cat simultaneously? Think of each type of data, image, text, audio, as speaking a different language. Multimodal AI first translates each into a universal AI language. It converts them into numerical representations called embeddings. Imagine each picture, word, or sound gets a unique numerical code that the AI can understand and compare. Then, it integrates or fuses these codes together to build a complete, richer understanding. This translation and fusion allows the AI to connect cat, word, with a picture of a cat, or a meow sound with a cat image, creating a unified perception. The power of multimodal AI translates into incredible real-world applications that developers can build. Image captioning, asterisk I that can see an image and generate a descriptive text like a golden retriever playing fetch in a sunny park. Smart AI assistants, asterisk imagine an assistant that responds to your spoken commands. Audio, understands context from your screen, visuals, text, and even interprets your tone of voice. Video summarization, asterisk I watches a long video and automatically generates a concise textual summary or highlights key moments. AI-driven content creation, asterisk generating an image from a text description, like Midjourney or DALL-E, or even generating a short video clip from a combination of text and reference images. These open up vast creative and functional possibilities. For you, the developer, multimodal AI is a game changer. You're no longer limited to building applications that only process one type of information. You can now create more intuitive, powerful, and human-like user experiences. Imagine building an app that understands a customer's frustration from their voice and their typed message, or an e-commerce site where users can search for products using an image and a description of what they're looking for. It means you have a whole new set of tools to solve complex problems and create innovative solutions that were previously impossible with Unimodal AI. The exciting news is that you don't need to be an AI research scientist to start exploring multimodal AI. Many powerful pre-trained models are now available through easy-to-use APIs, application programming interfaces, and developer-friendly libraries. Your role as a developer is to understand the capabilities of these tools, learn how to integrate them into your applications, and combine them creatively to bring these smarter, multi-sensory AI capabilities to life. This is the future of how AI interacts with the world. And you're at the forefront. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.